we had a taste before. Back in the winter.
Welcome back to yet another season.
We know the soulmate.
I'm sorry.
I need to get my stuff.
So this is it, gentlemen.
We found true love.
We're doing great.
Here we go. First stage.
I need to find our soulmate.
Are we related to
We have a limited time.
I really heard the Daniel style.
Check your best look.
I am an S tier.
We are rebuilding this.
See how this
You know what? Well, thank you so much. Welcome back. Welcome back to Let's Down the Train. Here we go. All over and everything goes down. Pretty sure that's
Everything's going down. We stand for our safety.
Sorry, I think I got a little bit crazy.
We'll kill you right now. Your life is mine.
Wow. They're gonna kill me.
This is totally safe.
Pretty sure that's a lie. Get yourself sir and don't die.
The sun's going down. We fear for our safety.
I wouldn't think you would be the one to betray me.
Limited time.
You stop talking. I really heard the Daniel style.
Everyone is dying. It happened so fast.
Oh my gosh, that makes me the last member of Hive.
I can die twice.
Hold on, guys.
Let's go down to less than an hour each.
Okay, no armor, no shields.
We're just gonna fist fight like our forefathers.
Wait, Scott, what are you doing? Scott, what are you doing?
Filthy desert hippies.
What would you propose I do, my lord?
Those who have wronged us and they will pay the ultimate price.
Now, I don't want to play this silly game.
On with it, me laddie!
I want to do it this way. I want to do it exactly this way. It doesn't matter if you're a ninja or a bad boy or a ninja or a blocker. None of these niceties. This is a death match for a reason.